Okay, ladies, I know that I've given you a package filled with Christmas papers and stickers and all this fun stuff. To me, it's a lot of fun stuff. Now, just in case you're wondering, this is what it's for. Now, these are just examples from the videos that I've been watching and getting ideas. I did make a couple throughout the years when I started, and I really like the representation of what she has. Very simple. These are just little mini albums from the Dollar Tree, Dollar General that you guys can get. Like I said, it is just an idea, sample ideas of what you can do using ribbons and stickers, what they call thickers, printing things off your printer, you know, from Pinterest. Lots of free stuff on Pinterest. You don't have to do it exactly like this, but she's just showing us how each page is different. These are for her children that she was making, so her children can have an album to be able to show, you know, what they have been doing. Different pages, different styles, coordinating colors, but they don't all have to be the same. You use what you have. And one of the ideas for us as, you know, beginners, we always want to do the prettiest one on Pinterest, the prettiest one that we see out there, going out there and buying those albums that people are using. But use what we have, use what you have at home. If you do have a little album, just go ahead and use that little mini album. But here I go, back to our video. We are going to be making, or if you like to tag along and make it with us, we're going to be making what it's called a December daily. It's like a journal, it's like a diary, but it has to do with the month of December preparations. You can even start in November, it doesn't matter. It's kind of a something that I like to share with others. And like I said, there is no obligation for you to make it, but I will be making it and you can follow along or do your own thing. Sorry about that interruption. It seems like that always happens when there's something that I'm trying to do. Forgot what I was saying before, but here I go. You can follow along with me if you want to, or just take and run with your own ideas. You will be receiving a package filled with lots of papers, a glassine bag with some goodies inside. Everybody is different. Nobody's going to get the same amount of items or packages. It's all different. You will get some color-coded little baggies with colors. There's a red one and a green one so far. There might be more in there. So this is the beginning. Open your package. Look at the things. Pick the stuff that you want. Now it's 24 days, but you can do as many as you want or the least amount as you want. 24 days, I consider a 12 by 12 can be cut up probably into, depending on the size you want. Maximum is, the minimum is 2, maximum is 4, and all depends on the size that you want. You'll also be receiving these little pockets. And also, you'll be receiving these little page protectors if you want to make a book with those binder clips, the little round ones. They look like key things. I'll show you in a minute. The size of the paper you'll need is 8.5 by 5 5/8 to fit into one of these. You can't see it, but it will fit one of these. So 8.5 by 5 5/8. And there's lots of goodies here. So I will give you a list of things that you're going to need. But right now I want you just to go through everything. Don't get overwhelmed. And kind of start thinking, what kind of journal do I want to make throughout the month of December? Or November through December. Alright. I'll see you guys later. Hope to see you. Bye-bye.